So AI is pretty much everywhere now, right? But here's the big question. Are you using it the right way? We're going to break down how to use it to not just, get answers, but to actually get smarter.
Seriously, just think about that for a second. It sounds like something out of a movie, but it's not. This is what AI can actually be when you know how to handle it. It's like having a powerhouse assistant just waiting for your command. And here's the kicker. If you learn to use this tool wisely, you could be ahead of 90% of your peers. No, that's not an exaggeration. It's all about building the right habits, and we can start doing that like right now.
Okay, so first things first. Let's talk about AI as your new superpower. But here's the deal. It's a tool. It's not magic. And like any powerful tool, you've got to know how to wield it. This is absolutely crucial, so lean in. AI is here to assist your brain, not do the thinking for you. It's meant to boost your own learning, your own creativity. The second you start treating it like a shortcut, poof, you lose all its real power. It's kind of like a calculator. A calculator is just a useless brick if you don't even understand the math problem you're trying to solve, right? Well, it's the exact same thing with AI. It can be a brilliant partner for sure, but you are still the one in the driver's seat doing the actual thinking. Okay, let's get into the practical stuff. How do we actually use AI to learn smarter, not just, faster? Well, it all starts with one simple idea. Think first. I call this the think first, ask later method. And it is fundamental. Seriously, before you even think about typing a prompt, just pause. Engage your own brain. What do you already know? What's your best guess? Then, and only then, do you bring in the AI to fill in the gaps or sharpen your ideas. And that's why this whole think first thing is such a game changer. It takes what could be a really passive action, just, asking a question, and it turns it into an active learning process. You're basically training your brain to be a player in the game, not just someone watching from the sidelines.
Okay, but what happens when you're genuinely stuck? I mean, we've all been there, staring at a really tough topic. How can AI help you break through that wall?
This right here is a perfect example of a smart prompt. You're not just blandly asking, what is photosynthesis? No, you're telling the AI to become your personal tutor, to explain it in a way you understand. You could ask it to explain quantum physics using a baseball analogy, or describe economic theories using examples from your favorite video game. You've got to get creative with it. Now, this next part is maybe the most important step for making knowledge actually stick. See, to truly learn something, you have to process it. That means you can never just copy and paste an answer, ever. The simple act of rewriting it, putting it into your own words, that's the magic. That's the mental workout that locks it into your long-term memory.
All right, moving on. We've talked about learning. Now let's shift gears to doing. Let's get into how you can use AI to create amazing things. And just as importantly, how to stay focused while you do it.
Here it is, the formula for your superpower. It's your creativity, your unique ideas, that human spark, plus the incredible power of AI. You combine those two, that's when you start making some truly incredible stuff. So don't just be a consumer of information. Use AI as your creative partner. Are you stuck on a design for a poster? Ask it for 5 totally different layout ideas. Need a jumping off point for a video script or maybe a little snippet of code? AI is perfect for giving you that first push to get your project off the ground. But of course, there's a huge challenge with all this, right? Distraction. I mean, working from home or studying on your own is great, but it's way too easy to fall into that endless scroll, that social media black hole. So, how can AI actually help with that? This is where you flip the script. Instead of letting technology be another distraction, you make AI your personal focus coach. You can ask it to build you a rock-solid study schedule, just like this, have it set timers for you, block out time for deep work, and even tell you when it's time to get up and take a break. And that's really the key takeaway for productivity. You have a choice. You can use these amazing tools to build structure and discipline for yourself, or you can let them drag you down that rabbit hole of distraction. My advice? Use AI to build, not just to browse. Okay, last section, and this one is a big one. It's all about being honest and being ready. This is the code for the future, and I mean that both ethically and in terms of your career. There are 2 rules here, and they are totally non-negotiable. Rule 1, be honest. If AI helped you out, just say so. Be transparent. It's not cheating, it's just smart collaboration. And rule 2, Be smart. You have to always double-check the facts that AI gives you. And why is that so important? Well, think about it. AI learns from us, from humans, from all the stuff we've put on the internet. And guess what? Humans make mistakes, a lot of them. So you have to be the final line of defense, the editor-in-chief, the one who fact-checks everything and makes sure it's accurate. And look, this isn't just about homework or some class project. The habits you're building with AI right now are the exact skills people are using in the real world today. Writers, designers, coders, even teachers, they're all using AI as a partner to do their jobs better, smarter, and faster. You're not just studying, you're literally training for the jobs of the future.
So, as we start to wrap this up, I want to leave you with a simple mantra. 3 little things. 1. Think first. 2. Learn deeply. And 3. Create bravely. Always bring that unique human spark to whatever you're working on.
When it all comes down to it, you've got a choice. Is AI going to be your helper, or is it going to be your shortcut? A helper empowers you, makes you better. A shortcut, well, it just robs you of the chance to actually learn. You know which one to choose. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought. The real goal here isn't just about learning with AI. The real challenge and the biggest opportunity is figuring out how you will learn to be smarter because of it. How are you going to use this incredible tool to become a better thinker, a better creator, a smarter human being? The answer is up to you.